YouTube viewers and Facebook viewers. Today is a beautiful day, August, and for 3 or 4 days there was a very hot weather, but today, thanks God, the heavy rain today in Wagan, and I hope in most parts of the country now today the heavy rain. And let's enjoy with me this Wakand region. Okay, you can see this in front, the FT college. You can enjoy this Wakand region. I want to see you the main road, Sher Suri Road, Wakand, Aslamal Beach here, or some beautiful Wakand area. Okay, you can see this beautiful region, Wakand. Oh, it's too cold yesterday. Now it's due to heavy rains, cold, and so pleasant weather today. Let's enjoy with me and take care. Okay, I hope you all enjoy this weather. Okay, God bless you. Take care. Bye bye. See you.